We can insert images into Google Docs by clicking on the Insert menu here, click on Image, and you've got some options here: upload from the computer, search the web, search your drive. So let's look at upload from your computer. So I've got a picture of the North Island here, which is on my desktop. I'm going to open that, and that's inserted that image for me. So come again to Insert Image from Search the Web. This opens a toolbar on the side of our document here. So let's search out for and so let's say we want that picture of New Zealand. Click on that, got a blue tick, click Insert, and that will insert it from the web. And then you can scale it if you want to make it fit on the page that you want it to fit on. You've got some options here about where it's going to be formatted, so you could put it through text. So that means I can now put it underneath here, and it will sit underneath, on top or underneath. We can align it to the left or text wrap around it like that, so you can start playing with your text as how you're going to lay things out. So the menu underneath here allows you to organize how it's going to work in the document that you're working in. We can go Insert again, Image, up the web. We can go from Drive. It'll allow you to search your drive for any images. I'm going to insert this picture, insert, and again I can scale it, and we can use these functions again. I'm going to wrap the text around. There we go. And I can do things like I can put a border around it if I wanted to. So put a 2-point border, change the border color. Let's make it blue so you can see it. There we go. And so you can use more formatting options once you've got your picture in the page.